Okay, let's talk about how we can use the division song for a double-digit divisor, because I know how to roll my 4s, but I don't know how to roll my 42s. We start the exact same way, number seeds. I can't make a group of 42 if I only have 8, but I can make a group of 42 out of 83, which tells me my quotient will have 2 digits, and I'm gonna repeat the division song 2 times. Since I don't know how to roll my 42s, I'm gonna round this to the nearest 10, which is 40. Some of you might be okay with counting by 40. I'm gonna count by 4 just so I don't make a mistake. Sing it with me. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, that's straight, 32, 36. Now these are my 4s. If I want to make up my 40s, I'm just going to add a 0, and I have my first 9 multiples of 40. Now what we're going to do is guess and then check, because we're not actually dividing by 40, we're dividing by 42. So we're going to count by 40, don't pass 83. 40, 80, I think 3 groups is going to be too big. So we're going to try 2 groups. 42, this is our check, times 2. Uh-oh, it's too big. 2 groups is too big, which means I know it's gonna be just 1 group. 1 pops up, and I know 1 times 42 is just 42. Hook your line, subtract. Subtract, subtract, subtract. I've got a 1 and a 4, and I'm gonna pull down the shade every time we pull down the shade. You must count by 40. Don't pass 416. Whoa. 40, 80, 120, 160, 200, 240, 280, 320, 360 is 9 groups, but I'm still not quite to 416. Let's see what happens. 42 times 9. This is my check. 42 times 9 is 378. I don't know if that's close enough, but let's see. 9 pops up, and I know 9 times 42 is 378. Hook your line, subtract. Subtract, subtract, subtract. Now, if my remainder is greater than 42, I made a mistake somewhere. So let's do my regrouping and see how I'm doing. 16 minus 8 is 8. 10 minus 7 is 3. Phew. Remainder 38. We're okay. It's just a really big remainder. We almost had enough to make 20 groups, but we only made 19 full groups. Okay, let's see one more example of a 2-digit divisor. 163 divided by 17. We always, always, always start with our number seeds, right? I can't make a group of 17 if I only have 1. So my answer will not have a hundreds place. I also can't make a group of 17 out of 16. So my answer is not gonna have a tens place. My quotient this time will just be 1 digit, which means I only have to repeat the division song 1 time. I don't know my 17s, but I do know my 20s, and 17 is pretty close to 20. Let's count by 20. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, and 180. We're gonna count by 20, don't pass 163. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160. Okay, 180 is too far, so let's try 8 groups. 17 times 8 is what we're gonna check. 136 is not that close to 163. I think it's worth it to try one more group. Let's see if we can get up to 9 groups. 17 times 9. Oh, there we go. 153 is closer to 163. So 9 pops up, and I know 9 times 17 is 153. Hook your line, subtract. Subtract, subtract, subtract. With a remainder of 10, I know I don't have enough to make another group of 17. I can only make 9 groups with 10 left over. Want more resources for 2-digit division? Click on the link below and get a 5th grade division cheat sheet, which is a student-facing document that breaks down the steps of the division song.